Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in sound effects to your videos to make it look more professional on CapCut PC. So go to the audio section here and go to sound effects. For instance, this is a video of someone typing, so let's just select typing. And here you can select maybe this one because the video is a little bit long. Okay, you do have to kind of correlate it with the video a little bit as well. So keep that in mind. And for instance, you want to show in an animation of a video or of a photo. Let's do slide left, but make it faster. Okay, not that fast. Maybe around 0.3 seconds. Then you're going to go to sound effects again and you're going to type in the, whoops, why did I go there? The whoosh one. People use that a lot on videos. Let's see. Nope. Where is it? Hold on, let me just go to sound effects and go to... I actually don't know where they put it. Oh, whoosh, okay. So select that and place it on your video, and then it's gonna have that effect. And you can add in the ding one to a or this, for instance. Make sure you add in an animation as well. Maybe a bounce in. It's better for bells, but that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.